Hey, everybody. This is day 4 of the Advent of Code that I'm doing. I'm here in Taiwan in Kenting National Park, and behind me is what is supposed to be like shaped like a ship from a distance, but also apparently some people call it the Nixon head because it looks like Nixon. That's what I have. So let me know what you think, and let's do today's farm now. Hey, everybody. Hope you like the intro. I'm here in Kenting, here in the southern basically tip of Taiwan. Yeah, am I ready? My internet is kind of very slow in this hostel. The internet itself is actually pretty fast, but I think I got a room where like I have to find a corner to get good enough internet, and sometimes it still cuts out. So hopefully, at least on this recording, that won't happen. Otherwise, you have to bear with me. So the times and stuff like this, I don't know. Best efforts, you know. All right, let's go. Without further ado, yeah. Am I forgetting anything? Nope. Whatever. Anything that I forget, I can do. So let's go. Okay. Let me click on the timer. 1, 2. Oh, I guess count down. Why would I count up? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so that's example. Okay, and then a list of winning numbers and numbers that you have. First match mixed up. 4 of them. Card 1 is worth 8 points, 1 for the first match, and double 3 times each. Oh, it's okay. Fine. I honestly, I feel like I'm a little bit slow on the reading, but how many points are they worth in total? Okay. Okay, so it's just total, right? I don't remember this. What am I doing? Okay. Okay. Split everything is what I remember trying to do. Win card numbers. Okay, and then win is dot split. Right. No. What am I doing? Nope. This is the typing content. Oh, this part 1 is anyway. Okay. So then now, length of this 2 to the power of this minus 1. Right. Oh no, return it. You abstracted, Larry. What? No, debugging. Sadness. Okay. I always have to remember to trim, baby, trim. It's called trim. I know I have to do it to the other one too, but I forget if it's called trim. Strip. You're right. I remember it tells me that because of the last time I did it. That's why I know, but did I forget something? How did we split? Oh, why the multiple spaces? Number start strip. Why does that not work? Is it a double spaces? That should make it easier, but what? Why? Why? Why am I debugging? Oh man. So there is. I shouldn't know that it does that, but okay, fine. X for x and if x is not equal to oh my, I have to do it for this too. I should order helper for that one, but it's too late. What? I hate you. That is why you do not repeat yourself. Okay. 14.0. Oh no. What is going on? What? Why? Because it could be 0? Oh no. So if this is 0, you just do 1. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 2, so that is right. 2, 1, 5, 5, 8. Too much debugging. Alright, 1 gold star, nice. Part 2, let's go. Alright. You win copy. If 10, you would win 1 copy of each. It's to win more scratch cards equals to the number of winning numbers you have. Okay, copy. If you win a copy of it has 5 magic numbers, it would then win a copy of the same card that the original card's 11. Say what? Okay. Card 1 has 4 matching numbers, so you win 1 copy for each of the next 4 numbers. 1 copy for each of the. Okay, so you only start with 1 copy or something? Man, I am not reading well today. So you win 1 copy. Okay. How many total scratch cards do you win? Okay, I see. I see. So then, let's see, right? So you can just actually just return this. Oh man, okay, fine. Yeah. I need to be slicker about this. I think this part always bothers me. But alright, we can just return right? And then now total is equal to 0. That's not okay. Current is equal to 0. Current is equal to 1. We have 1 copy of the first one. Let's put it that way. So then now parse current right? And then if you win, yeah, okay. I think that's right. Alright, that's not right. What happens if you have 0? Oh, I misunderstood what it meant. Okay, fine. That's fine. That's easy still. Total is equal to 0. If current is equal to 0, then we have 1 of next card, right? Something like that. No, this is wrong. I'm gonna run it, but this is wrong, I think. How do I write this? So, okay. So, let's say this is how many you win, right? Times the copies you have, and but this should be right? If oh, I see, copies increment by 1. That's what I was missing. And then okay, I see. I also was putting out the wrong thing. 59, is that right? Nope. Well, am I missing something? Copy parse line. Total. What am I printing? Oh. Too much debugging today. 4 copies. Is that right? Yep. 2 copies, even 3 and 4. Oh, I misread this. So you have one extra copy of the next 4 numbers, not 4 copies of the next one. Alright, misreading is a little bit silly. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I am... Okay, I mean, this is... I'm too slow. Okay, fine. Data copies is equal to 1 plus fine, right? So okay, and then now when is equal to parse line, right? And then now for t in wait, I forgot that I could use this. Copies of I plus j plus 1, right? $15 is wrong. Okay, so 1 extra copy. Okay. So 2. How do I have 4 instances of card 3? 1 original and 2. Oh, because yeah. Okay, I see. Is that +1 is plus current? Okay. I am so bad at this. Today is not a good day. I misread it though, so I kind of just spent too much time wasting it on misreading. But alright, let's stop the clock. I mean, 12 minutes is actually not great, but not embarrassing, hopefully. I don't know. Let's see. 3-minute part 1, that sounds right. 7 minutes part 2 also sounds right. I don't know my times. Oh, actually, I don't know when. I guess I could work it out. How do I do this again? So I had 6 minutes for part 2, which is actually pretty bad. But I have 12 minutes together, so that means 6 minutes for part 1. Also kind of slow. Really slow today. I guess let's do a quick post-mortem. What did I do on part 1 that was slow? I guess that part 1 is just a parsing. I really should have. This I think feels like this feels like something I should have pre-written, to be honest. And I had to debug it. I need to parse this a little bit better. So far, it's been just parsing, and I haven't. I'm usually actually very good at parsing, said Larry, but not so much this time. Not this year. And I don't even have the bad internet to blame. Internet was pretty good during today, I think. Or like right now, anyway. So, and part 2, part two I just misread. I mean, there's no for some reason. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I just misread it, right? It's not. I took 6 minutes because I misread it. It is what it is. Because sometimes to get a problem in 2 3 minutes, you have to take the risk of misreading it, and you need to do for this particular problem. Let's say my Q1 or my part one was very fast. My part two has to be 3 minutes anyway. And I would have gotten it pretty quickly if I read it correct, or if what I read was what I was solving for. I think. Though I had to debug this just because what did I do wrong? Oh, I didn't save down the duplicates. But yeah, again, I don't think I have anything to describe for this one. I mean, so far the answers are for loops, so it's just parsing. What would have done differently? Like I said, maybe have a library for this. Maybe we'll think about it. I mean, this is regex a little bit tough regex. I think what I did in concept makes sense. I also kind of left it for the possibility for needing the card ID for something, because very often they do it in a weird way for part two, even if part one doesn't need it. So that's why I kind of did it this way. But yeah, and one silly mistake on the plus current instead of +1. I was still rushing it a little bit, to be frank, but I mean, so that's fine. I feel like in a lot of, just to be clear, right, in a lot of domains, I think rushing things is actually really bad, right? But as I scored as I mentioned, the incentives of the scoring system, you have to rush it. You have to take risks. Even if you finish 100th, which is top 100, you only get one more point than if you finish 101. So if you are aiming to be top 10, top 20 for one day, that is, you have to go really fast. Well, I have to go really fast, right? Like, I'm not good enough that my normal speed is fast enough to be that good. If that's the case, then maybe that's what I would do. But because I need that extra, like I don't, like, on a good average day, maybe I'm like, say, depending on how many people compete and who competes, right? So this is just from the last couple of years of things. Like on an average day, I'm probably like maybe 80th to 150th to 200th, something like this, right? Like if I just do my normal, like, patient, slow, or not slow, but just like deliberate and careful and don't make mistakes. So in order to get, for me to get higher, I have to take these risks. There's nothing else, because I just have to do it, and that's just me trying demonstrating it, and there's no penalty, right? In the sense that if you get a wrong answer on this, it's over anyway, because you have, like, for example, part one, people solved this in 2 minutes or so, right? Or I think like the top. Let's take a look. I forget what it was. Yeah, like you have to be top 100 in the first star. People are really fast, by the way. Very good people. You have to be within 2 minutes and 51 seconds, right? So wrong answer, you can almost say that wrong answer doesn't cost anything, because as soon as you get a wrong answer, your day is over. So like you have to rush it anyway. But if you don't, like, if you spend an extra 20 seconds to test and get the right answer, is it good enough? No, because let's say you would have finished at 240, you had 20 seconds, you're not even making the board, right? So a wrong answer is just as, like, there's no penalty to a wrong answer, kind of, in a way. I mean, you can read it however you like, but yeah. Also, congrats to Epsilon. Do I have any, my any buddies here? I don't know. Maybe, I don't, everyone has different handles these days, so let me know your handle, and if I see you on here, I'll give you a shout out. I mean, Neil Wu and these are classic competitive people, so Xiao Wu is #1, huh? He's always super fast on the easy ones. I mean, he's super fast on the harder ones, but he's just super fast in general. Yeah. Alright, friends. That's all I have for today, day 4. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the intro. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.